Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Our 2023 trip started off in a little Greek town on the west coast of Florida called Tarpon Springs. From Miami, we headed west on Alligator Alley. It's a road that takes you from the east to the west coast of Florida, and you can see Everglades on both sides of the road. We decided to stop at one of the rest stops to see if we could see any alligators, and we got so lucky we were able to see a medium-sized alligator in the water. Tarpon Springs was just our pit stop on the way up to the panhandle, so we stayed just one night. We camped at Hickory Point RV Park, and we have a separate video reviewing that campground.
So far so good, it's very nice. It's got a gravel pad, it's even. I usually don't like gravel pads because they're uneven, but this is a nice even one. It's got 30, 50 amp hookup, water, sewer, all the necessities. It's got some space in between the sites. This is a common space, and then here's your next lot. Very nice. There's our neighbor. We're in site 124. The site next to us is 123. We're just here for one night. We're here one night. In the morning we hook up, we'll go to Pensacola Beach. But this is it, we made it. We had to bring our Rhino black tank because one of the nights we're staying in, I think, Henderson Beach State Park, and there's no sewer. So just in case we poop too much, we gotta put it in the Rhino and dump it at the dump station. Check out the new sticker. If you're not following us yet, make sure you follow Outdoors Unlimited 2022 on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We're all over the place. Trying to go worldwide with this thing. All right, we're gonna go check out Tarpon Springs. See you in a minute.
The city of Tarpon Springs was established in the 1800s by Greek settlers who were harvesting sponges in the area. The Sponge District is a 2-mile strip on the docks where the boats unload their sponges. The road is lined with souvenir shops on both sides, restaurants, and bakeries. There was a lot of parking available. It was about $5 to $10 per day. You can easily tour the entire area in about a half a day.
When in Rome, you gotta do as the Romans, or like the Greek, drinking a sour cherry juice drink, a traditional drink from Greece.
We sat down for lunch at Hella's, a family-owned Greek restaurant operated since the 1970s. Jason and I had gyros, or as correctly said by the Greeks, gyros.
So we're here at Hella's. There's Mashallah. I blocked her face with the menu. We're excited to try out Greek food. We love gyros, so let's see what this place is all about.
I personally didn't like the food, but I guess maybe I'm just not used to authentic Greek food. We heard a lot of great things about a park nearby. It's called Fred Howard Park. And our drive to the park was gorgeous because we went through a neighborhood lined with Victorian homes. If anybody knows the name of this neighborhood, just write it down there in our comments because we don't know, but it was really beautiful. I was not as impressed with the sponge docks as I was with Fred Howard Park. It's a 75-acre county park. It's located on the Gulf of Mexico, so it has beautiful white sand, and you access the beach through a causeway with beautiful views on both sides. I loved that you see a lot of people jogging, doing exercise on the causeway. There's launching areas for canoes and kayaks, and there's tons of parking on the causeway as well as in the beach area. We parked on the causeway for a little bit so the girls could feel the water, and they were catching snails and crabs, so it kept them busy for a while. Okay guys, that's it from Tarpon Springs. If you liked our video and you found it informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.